Alright, what is going on, guys? So today, planning on doing the radiator fans, but it looks nasty outside. We're still gonna go out there and try. Hopefully it doesn't start raining. But yeah, I just got done cleaning my room. It was disgusting. Car parts laying everywhere, clothes. There's still car parts. But yeah, they're kind of organized now. I finally got the axles off the diff. Patrick hooked it up with his impacts pretty good. But it's been a wild past couple of days. Yeah, the past couple of days been wild. I let Ty take a Lexus to U2K, Knoxville, and I did the battery relocation the day before, and on his way back, the gauge clutch or whatever stopped working, and it's like electronic, so the gas gauge stopped working too, and he ran like a set of gas. Thank God it was only like 25 minutes away from chat. But when I got there with gas, he had ran the battery down too, so I had to go back, get jumper cables, and come back again. And then yesterday, his truck it wouldn't start. It's turning over. I don't think it's getting fuel, but yeah, it's a big situation. Sucks. So we had to flat tow that last night at like 2 a.m. But yeah, I got the fans. I don't remember if I showed y'all the overflow tank I got. But yeah, it looks super sweet. It should be a lot more expensive than how much I bought it for. But yeah, about to head outside. I will see y'all out there. Alright guys, so first off, what y'all just saw was like 2 or 3 weeks ago. You know, I was saying it was cloudy or whatever. It looked like it might rain. It did start raining, and every other day that I had a chance to work on my car, it started raining. So yeah, today is finally like nice outside. I mean, it's cold, but it's not raining, so I don't have a shop to work on stuff anymore. I just have like the parking lot. I'm on a waiting list for a garage here. This apartment complex has a bunch of like little garages, and hopefully I can get one soon if somebody moves out or something. But yeah, about to go out there, finally do the fans, and fix some of the battery relocation stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys out there. Alright guys, it's about cold as balls out here, but yeah, doing the fans. So I'm gonna let the radiator drain because I have to take off a radiator hose to get the old shroud out. And while I'm doing that, I'm gonna fix this battery relocation and put this little piece back here, because all this does is bounce up and down, so I can lock it down. I'll put the cutoff switch in there, and I gotta put some screws in the bottom of the battery box so it doesn't move around. I had it duct taped, so I wanted to go hoon and it was sliding. But yeah, I gotta fix the ground back there too, and yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm gonna use the wiring harness for the fog lights for the fans. Gotta run the switch up in here. It's actually already in here. I gotta run it better though. But yeah, that's what I'm about to do. So I'm about to go start draining it, and then we'll move to the trunk and work on that battery box. Alright, so I got a nice clean ground right there. It's real good on it. It'll fit right there good. And now I'm about to put some of these bad boys in the bottom of this bad boy. I'm gonna drill some holes, so a smaller hole first, so it's a little bit easier to go in there, but it still work good. So let's get it. The quality's bad, the sunlight, but yeah, let's do it. Alright guys, 4 screws in there. She's solid, not going anywhere. So I'm about to fix all this wiring and then start on the fans. So let's get started on that. Alright guys, a little update. You probably have no idea what you're looking at right now, but these are the wires to the switch, and they weren't long enough, so I had to cut them and extend them. I think I wired them up pretty good. They're soldered and heat shielded, heat wrapped, whatever it's called. And yeah, now they make it to right here where the switch will be going. So now I'm going to put this wiring loom around all of it, and then kind of get it spaced out to where I need it, and then cut the big power cable and splice the switch in somewhere, the cutoff switch, and then we will move to the fans. So, and I might do hood pins too. I'm not sure yet though. It just depends. I need to do them. I probably will do them. I don't know. We'll find out though. I'm about to start cutting some more. I'll see you guys in a minute. Alright guys. My nose is running. It's cold. My face is cold. My toes are cold. But I got it all wired up from like here to the center console. Looks pretty. I still gotta clean it up a little bit. I got some more to run to the back. But see, the cutoff switch is in there good. My measurements are wrong with this switch. There's some kind of box right there, right up under it where it'd go. So that's just gonna be hanging there for a little bit until I figure something out. Actually, I could run it through this hole right there. But, no, I won't do that. But yeah, that's all good. So now I'm about to start from center console back to the battery box and get that looking all pretty, and then move to the fans. So let's put the battery back in the battery box. That's what I need to do, yeah. Alrighty, that's done. Looks pretty. And still gotta clip all the tails off those zip ties. But yeah, the battery's not hooked up yet. I'll show like a full thing when it's all put back together. I'm gonna do that after I put the fans on, just because I don't want any power running to them or whatever. But can't see me. But yeah, now it's time to start on the fans, finally. I didn't even check if this is gonna shut. Oh my gosh. Whoops. And now it stays up farther. I'll figure it out. There it goes. The latch was stuck. But yeah, time to start on the fans. Alright guys, so I got the ugly shroud out. I already got one fan mounted up in the spot I think looks good. I'm gonna do like 2 rows from the edge on both of them. That should be Gucci. Here's the old shroud that was in there. It's all beat up. See, like it's not even. Look at that. When I hit that deer, it messed it up and it needed to be changed bad, but now I'm doing it, so. Alright guys, got everything put back together, wired up, almost. I still gotta connect the battery. Let's see. That's all done. All that ball is switch wired up. I don't have that in there right now. I'm about to go connect the battery, then we'll flip that on and see what happens. Let's see. Put the camera down. Alrighty, the battery's hooked up. Let's see what we got here when we flip the switch. I'm low-key scared. Oh, there it goes. Dash isn't working, but actually the key might have to be in there. I saw it move, so Yeah, dash is working. We're Gucci. All right, fans. Fans are working, I hear 'em. They're blowing pretty good. Alright. That's all good. Turn the power off. Get this thing to stick. Alright, now I gotta do I gotta put coolant in it and burp the coolant, whatever you want to call it. But first I need to go to O'Reilly's and get some hose for my overflow tank. So I'll see you guys when I get back from there. Alrighty guys, you can't see my face, but yeah, there we go. Fans relocated. Finally, it's about time. It's pretty easy. It's nothing. I mean, just taking the old shroud out and putting new fans in, zip ties, radiator zip ties, whatever they're called, and yeah, still waiting on Muscusi Motorsports to get some gas so he can weld my diff, which I have set up right here. I drained all the gear dope out of it. Let me get it off. Never mind, they don't come off right now. But yeah, fans relocated. I think I'm gonna give the hard body some loving. So you might see that in the next video. You might, hopefully, see some diff stuff in the next video. That's what I'd rather be in the next one, but yeah, hard body. It's gonna get wheels or tires for the wheels, lower it, and some other stuff to it. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry that wasn't an upload in like 3 weeks. I will see y'all next weekend.